What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Mad Squad YouTube channel. I did some work on the 190E Mercedes. Took it to the electrician to sort out the air condition, the temperature, water temperature. The seats wasn't working so well, and I put in something fancy in the car. I put a button start in the car. So I'm here to pick up the car now, and we're gonna see how everything is working. I still need to get the door cards so that the interior can be finished. But yeah, let's go check it out. The mad scientist Owen over there. AC nice now. Yeah? Alright, boss. Woo. AC feel nice, guys. Here's the button start that I installed. Put in the water temperature, boost gauge, all them stuff. The interior still need to be put together properly, but yeah, it's coming. I think I can fix the seats. Let me see if I can adjust the seat. See if I can. Wait, I don't know. This back, lift this up. There you go. Forward. Oh, I'm moving, guys. What? Guys, I'm moving. But yeah, like I said, I have the original piece for this. It's in Atlanta by my manager. But yeah, the button start looks real good. Fits really well right here. Fits so good. I bought this on Amazon. Oh, AC. I need some gas though. Gas gauge working, the RPM working. What? The RPM working now. Mad. Sick. Owen. RPM I work, man. I never doubt you still. Huh? Oh, temperature gauge. You said he didn't finish connecting the ground wire. So yeah, it looks really good, guys. I did the AC lines, but I didn't tighten them. So when he was putting in the AC gas, it was leaking everywhere. But yeah, we're gonna give it the first drive with the AC. Wait, you see what's going on here, guys? See this? Owen, look how most men are no boost I go home, Owen. So yeah, it tighten. So guys, the next move is to clean up this interior. You know what I need? I have a tile blow-off valve. I add the wastegate, the tile wastegate, but I use it on another car. So I'm gonna get one. I have a eBay one on this now, and I need to use proper stuff on the car, but yeah, looks in one piece just like I left it. And this car is registered and ready to go. Ready to go, guys. I'll show you guys my seats. seats are spanking new. I don't think I want anyone to sit in these seats. I'm gonna keep them like this. So yeah guys, we're gonna go home now and drive it home so it feels with the AC. And I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, we are driving. Seems like it's overboosting. I try press the gas just now, try to bring it on boost, and seems like it's overboosting. But we are driving guys. Focus. Oh, the door is locked properly. There you go. Door locked properly now, guys. So next move guys, we're going to put it on the dyno so we can get a number to it, and because I think it's running a bit rich now, so we need to work on that. So definitely going to take it to the dyno, and woo, a little rough. Woo. But we're driving guys, and the AC blowing well cool. AC feels real good, and Jamaica is really hot right now, so for the AC to be blowing this cool, it must be working real good. Feels just like the RAV4, feels like a brand new AC unit. Feels good. So guys, definitely over boosting. Definitely over boosting. Shut off. Shut off guys. Shut off. Let's see if it starts back. Alright guys, so I just made it home. It had this weird thing with the button start where you have to do a few things to get it started again. So I had to call the electrician for that feature. This thing has too much feature. I just wanted a button to just press and go. But it's pretty cool still, but the car is running a bit rich. Maybe that's why I shut off when I try to. We'll see. Maybe the vacuum blow off for the map sensor. I don't know. I'm gonna look. I don't know what exactly, but it idling weird. Something blow off, some hose blow off, something blow off. So I'm gonna find out what it is. And yeah, but it's here. You can see it's a bit rich. Yeah, see the black smoke coming out. So I'm gonna look and see what's up. I need to take my son out the car first and then check to see what's up. Here's the culprit, guys. Blow off. Blow off the map sensor. Well, I hope say this, yeah man, yeah guys, this blow off of the map sensor. So I'm pretty sure this is why it's idling like that. But only one way to find out. Only one way to find out. Only one way. Push on. Need to probably get a tie strap and Let's try it. No more smoke. No more smoke, guys. So problem solved. But yeah, I need to just run the wastegate pressure. I need to take off the boost control off it and just use wastegate pressure just for now. So I'm gonna let the car cool down and then I'll just run the wastegate straight to the turbo, take off that boost control because it's over boosting right now and I don't need more. I'm fine with the 7-pound spring in it for now. So yeah guys, car is back home and you know it's on the way. Project 190E 1JZ. What did I call it again? 190Z? I don't know. I don't know guys, but yeah, Project 190E 1J swap is almost done. Interior needs to be done. Dyno needs to be done, and we're cool. AC is blowing real nice. The AC is blowing real nice, so I come inside to cool off for a bit in the nice cool breeze. Woo! Yeah guys, this is what I like, you know. I like the AC. Oh, I didn't even remember that the A pillars, that's what they name? A pillars needs to be done as well. But a lot on the list to do and we're gonna get it done. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll keep you posted. I'll keep the updates coming.